When we have an Arrhenius acid and base react with one another, it is a neutralization reaction. This Arrhenius acid here is nitric acid, and this is magnesium hydroxide. Now, in a neutralization reaction between Arrhenius acids and bases, the products are very easy to predict. The first product is always going to be water, a little H2O. And the second product is going to be an ionic compound. Now, that ionic compound is really easy to determine when you look at what's going on in here, okay? You can't make nothing out of nothing. And when you are using chemical reactions, the atoms are not going to, these aren't nuclear reactions where atoms are losing protons or gaining protons, okay? Whatever atoms you start with are atoms you got to end with. Looking at this right here, water is one of the products. There's an H, there's an OH. That's some water right there. What do we got left? We got a metal, and we got some non-metal stuff. That's an ionic compound. So let's write out this ionic compound. Magnesium nitrate. Is that the correct formula? Is it going to be a 1-to-1 ratio of metal to this covalent compound, NO3? We got to write that out. Ionic compounds, the metals and nonmetals combine in a ratio, so that way there is no excess charge in the positive or negative region. Magnesium often takes a +2 charge because it has 2 valence electrons. Now nitrate, NO3, has acquired an extra electron, so that way everybody's got an octet. So we have a 2-to-1 charge right here. And it's kind of like a little trick to get to the least common multiple. If we cross the charges, we can get our ratios. Okay. So magnesium has a +2 charge, and nitrate has a -1 charge. So we need dose -1 things, so that way those charges cancel out and overall get to 0. Is our reaction balanced? Let's check it out. I have 1 magnesium on this side. I have 1 nitrate, 2 nitrates over here. Let's try to fix that real quick. If I put a big 2 up here, that means that I got my 2 nitrates balanced. I got 1 magnesium on each side. Look, I got a lot of waters and stuff to play with right here. I'm going to put a 2 here to balance out the waters, and then I'm going to break it down because this is not a race. 1-to-1, dose to dose, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4 total, 4 total. There is the balanced chemical reaction for the neutralization between the Arrhenius acid, nitric acid, and the Arrhenius base, magnesium hydroxide. Thank you.